Have you ever considered how a single unmanaged financial risk can wipe out years of profits in an instant? In today's volatile global markets, effective treasury and risk management is not just an advantage, it's a necessity for survival and growth. Many organizations struggle with fragmented treasury operations and inadequate risk management practices. This can lead to liquidity issues, unnecessary borrowing costs, exposure to financial market volatility, and even devastating losses from unmanaged risks. At the individual level, finance professionals often find themselves ill-equipped to handle the complexities of modern treasury and risk management. They may lack the skills to effectively manage cash flows, hedge against market risks, or implement robust risk management frameworks. This comprehensive certification training course addresses these challenges head-on. It provides a deep dive into treasury operations, cash management, financial risk assessment, and mitigation strategies. Participants learn to navigate the intricacies of foreign exchange, interest rate, and commodity price risks. The course offers numerous benefits, including hands-on experience with treasury management systems, exposure to best practices in risk quantification and reporting, and insights into the latest financial instruments for risk hedging. For organizations, the impact is transformative. With certified professionals at the helm, companies can optimize their cash management, reduce borrowing costs, and implement robust risk management frameworks. This leads to improved financial stability, better strategic decision-making, and enhanced shareholder value. On a personal and team level, participants develop into skilled treasury and risk management professionals. They gain the confidence to manage complex financial risks, provide strategic advice to senior management, and drive financial resilience in their organizations. Don't let unmanaged financial risks threaten your organization's future. Enroll in this certification training course today and become an expert in treasury and risk management, equipped to safeguard your company's financial health and drive sustainable growth in an uncertain world.